Our journey begins right here at Hohyeon Station, exit 5. As soon as you step out, Namdaemun Market Forgil unfolds before you, a must-visit route and the thrilling gateway into one of Seoul's oldest traditional markets. Walking into the bustling alleyway, you can instantly feel the market's unique, vibrant energy. The street is lined with vendors selling parasols, hats, and clothing, while the lively chatter of shoppers fills the air. Soon, you'll spot a massive crowd gathered in one place. This is the legendary handmade king-size dumpling shop, a staple of Namdaemun Market with a long, proud history. There's almost always a long line of people waiting for a bite of these steaming hot dumplings. By the way, Namdaemun Market Forgil was under construction until recently. Here is how it looked before, and this is how beautifully it has changed now. Just when you start to feel a bit hungry or thirsty, cozy little dessert shops catch your eye, serving refreshing iced lattes, fresh strawberry lattes, and sweet soft-serve ice cream, the perfect excuse to take a quick break. As we continue down the street, vibrant souvenir shops steal the spotlight. Adorable plush keyrings dressed in colorful, elegant hanbok are here to welcome international travelers.
이게 저기 아니에요?
Over here, you'll find rows of cute teddy bear keyrings, also wearing beautiful pink and purple hanbok. Every corner perfectly captures the essence of traditional Korean colors, making them incredibly popular gifts. And check these out. Miniature keyrings shaped like Korea's most popular instant ramen cups, including Shin Ramyeon and Buldek spicy chicken noodles. The attention to detail makes them so much fun to look at. Right below them, miniature bottles of Korea's soul drink, banana-flavored milk, are paired with tiny Korean flags. They truly capture the playful and trendy spirit of K-culture. For a more elegant keepsake, beautifully packaged miniature hanbok decorations are also available. Their neat and clean packaging makes them an ideal choice for anyone looking for a truly special souvenir. Walking a bit further, a bright red sign catches your eye. Everything here is just 3,000 won, $2. Packed with a huge variety of affordable hair accessories, this spot is always bustling with eager shoppers. Up close, the shelves are filled with everything from cute claw clips and sparkling brooches to pearl necklaces and delicate ribbon bows. The dazzling variety under the bright lights will absolutely make you stop in your tracks.
야, 이거 민정도 우리 끝까지야.
These are cute too, just to get a little taller. Oh yeah, yeah.
그래 아래.
근데 사실 진짜 나를
Over on this side, a display board showcases colorful 3D magnets featuring Korea's iconic landmarks. From Gyeongbokgung Palace and En Seoul Tower in Seoul to the scenic views of Busan and Jeju Island, it's a whole tour of Korea in magnet form. You'll also spot stunning magnets designed around the Korean national flag, the Takukki, beautifully depicting the Jeonju Buddha, Namsan Tower, and elegant hanbok silhouettes. They make perfect, meaningful gifts for friends back home. If you need to exchange some pocket money, you won't have to look far. Right in the heart of the market, there's a convenient currency exchange booth displaying real-time rates for US dollars, Japanese yen, euros, and Chinese yuan. Traditional folding fans filled with Korean heritage also catch your eye. Beautifully painted with classic ink landscapes, takuk motifs, and fierce tigers, they sit alongside colorful K-culture keyrings and traditional spoon and chopstick sets. As we near Gate 2 toward the main road, the rich, mouth-watering aroma from a tteokbokki stall completely stops you in your tracks. The sight of the thick, bubbling, bright red rice cakes on the grill is absolutely breathtaking. Right next to it, a mountain of freshly fried, golden, crispy treats including sweet potatoes, dumplings, and giant prawns presents a delicious temptation that's impossible to resist. Right at the exit leading to the main street, international tourists carrying large suitcases stroll past the vibrant yellow sign of a Korean ginseng shop. Looking through the premium red ginseng and unique souvenirs, we wrap up our energetic and joyful journey down Namdaemun Market Forgil.